I've researched the Taylor GS Mini Mahogany, and here's your script. For those who are fed up with bulky guitars that take up too much space, I'm about to introduce you to a game changer. You're probably thinking, what's so special about this little guy? But here's what surprised me. The Taylor GS Mini Mahogany packs a punch way beyond its size. But don't just take my word for it. I've got 3 compelling reasons why you need to try this guitar out. Firstly, let's talk about sound quality. The Taylor GS Mini Mahogany boasts incredible resonance and sustain thanks to its solid mahogany top and laminated back. You'll be amazed at how rich and full-bodied the tone is. It's perfect for fingerstyle playing or strumming. Therefore, if you're tired of guitars that sound like they were made for a kiddie pool, this one's a serious contender. But I know what you're thinking. Is it durable enough to withstand my gigging lifestyle? Well, let me tell you, the Taylor GS Mini Mahogany has been built with the same attention to detail as its larger siblings. However, there is one thing that sets it apart. Its compact size makes it an absolute joy to take on tour or store in a small apartment. But don't worry, I'm not here to sell you a travel-sized toy. This guitar's got real guts and can handle anything you throw at it. Now, let's dive deeper into the features that make this guitar so special. For starters, its mahogany top provides excellent warmth and depth to your sound, while the laminated back adds extra stability without weighing you down. But what really gets me excited is the playability. The Taylor GS Mini Mahogany has a smooth, low-action neck that makes it a breeze to navigate even for those with smaller hands. And let's not forget about the electronics. The GS Mini comes equipped with a built-in pickup and preamp system that allows you to plug directly into your amp or effects pedal. Therefore, if you're looking for a guitar that can keep up with your musical ambitions without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth considering. But here's the thing. I've seen some reviewers complain about the lack of sustain on similar-sized guitars, but not on this beauty. It's like a mini superhero, saving the day and your sound in more ways than one. However, don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what other musicians have to say. Taylor Guitar's loyal fans rave about the GS Mini's portability and playability, while professional players appreciate its rich tone and versatility. But don't worry if you're not a pro. This guitar's got enough character to shine through even in the most casual settings. So, are you ready to experience the magic of the Taylor GS Mini Mahogany for yourself? Here are the final 2 reasons why I think you'll fall head over heels in love with this guitar. Its incredible value and stunning aesthetic. Yes, it's a pricey little thing, but trust me when I say that every penny is worth it. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on one today.